a scout is moving from the base camp and he's actually targeting the crow. Now how much he has to target? So the first thing says that scout walks 5 kilometers north from the base camp. So base camp we have marked it here. Now 5 kilometers north the scout would go. So let's make it 5 kilometers north. Then he turns and walks 4 kilometers east, that is towards the east cardinals, that is this direction. So this direction he would be walking 4 kilometers. So he walks 4 kilometers in this direction. Then he turns right and walks 1 kilometer. So from here turns right. So right is this, walks 1 kilometer. So again down. So he would come a little down. Now 1 kilometer south and finally turns right and right for 1 kilometer west. Now from that south position turns left for 1 kilometer or turns west. Okay, west means this direction. Okay, so 1 kilometer again is this direction. So he walks 1 kilometer. Now the question says how much would he take to reach the lookout? Now this is how much? This is 3 kilometers and this is 4 kilometers, and this is the point that the base camp and the point has to meet, which is a diagonal. Okay, now this is a diagonal of a right angle triangle with sides 3 and 4. So this diagonal becomes 3 square plus 4 square under root, that is 9 plus 16 under root, that is under root of 25, which is 5. So the distance or the lookout from this point to the base camp or from the base camp to this point actually is 5 kilometers. So if we look and draw a line, we'll see that this line is nothing but it is a line of 5 kilometers and a distance to the base camp, which is a Pythagoras or the hypotenuse of a Pythagoras right angle triangle, right? So you have to simply apply the Pythagoras theorem in such kind of direction problems and all is set. Thanks for joining.